Hi guys, I will show you how to create the API in Node.js. For that purpose, firstly you need some prerequisites for that. So that are you need to install Node.js or already installed Node.js into our laptop. So that Node version is 20.14.4. You can use as you like. Okay. And another one thing you need into your computer or machine, that is npm. So npm version is here 10.8.1 version I have installed into my system. Okay, so for the creating the Node.js API into your system, you require node and npm install into your system. So we need to go further. First I create one project folder, like I just mentioned my API. You can use any of name as you like. Okay, so in my API I create uh, Node.js project structure. Okay, so that project structure you required for use you required into your for creating the API. Okay, so here I need command prompt. Open the command prompt. Okay, I will use the terminal for that. Okay, you can open like that and go to your project folder, D drive, cd, YouTube stuff. Okay, and here just my API. Okay, my API, my API. Okay, so you open like that also, or you can create open the terminal using uh, like this also. Okay, so here we need to create a API structure. So here I type npm and pm init. So this command is used to create the package.json file for your Node.js folder. Okay, so using that package.folder is created into your folder. File package.json file is created. Okay, so here is the name of the package, my API or anything. Uh, project, yeah, package name is okay, version is 1.1. Okay, description I use my API. Okay, entry level index.json, or you can use app.js. So I will use app.js. Okay, app.js is entry level file for the my Node.js project. Okay, and test command is test done. Git repository, I don't have keyword, I don't require author. I mention my name. Okay, license I don't require. So package.json file is created into our my API folder. Okay, so this is our package.json. So I open that whole project into my VS Code for better understanding of the code. I open that. Okay, so here I open stuff and my API. So this is my Node.js project, my API, and here I have one just like this is my package JSON structure. Okay, so I just use the entry level file like app.js. So I create one app.js file, app.js file. Okay. So I need to install Express dependency. into our application for API purpose. So I just install just Express generator plugin for that. So npm install globally. I install generator Express generator. So I use Express generate. Okay, this is globally I install. No effect getting into that project because I install that globally. So after that I need to install Express into my project. Okay, so here I use npm install Express. Okay, so I install Express dependency into my project for my project. Okay, so here I use my project app.js file. Into that I just declare express. I use that dependency. Okay, so here is the code for enable. Okay, after that where express. So this is the express. After that I need to create one path for getting the response. So this is my path and hello world. Okay, and I just listen that listen that project on 3000 port number 3000. So this is my code for app.js. So this is import the express dependency into my application and use that express dependency for getting the API. Okay, so if I just use localhost like this here, localhost localhost double dash 3000 is a port number for my Node.js API. So I hit that in the browser. I get the hello world response from that application. So for running the my API project, I use Node app.js is my file name. Okay, so example app listening on the port number 3000. So this is the command for running my project. Okay, app.js is a file and node is a command for running the Node.js project. So I use that in uh, here just localhost 3000, sorry 300 is there 3000. Okay, so hello world is getting, hello world is getting. So getting the response I use another request for JSON response. Okay, so app dot get test API. Okay, test API. This is another URL for getting the data. Okay, so response dot dot send. I will just push one array list into that. Okay, so I will use this one, send the array list. Okay, and into that array list I will mention all the details. Okay, here is the detail which is I just displayed on the application. So I just terminate my project and run again. So I will get the this response, and in test API routing I get that response. Okay. This is my response which is sent from the Node.js application. Okay. So this is the Node.js application, simple application for getting the response into application. Uh, Hello, this is the Node.js a REST API application. Here I just calculate the things and displayed it into the front end level. You can use Postman for getting the response. So this is the Postman, and Postman API. Using that Postman, you will get the response, API response into your site. Okay. So here I add one collection for getting the response. Okay. So localhost host 3000 colon 3000 slash test API. Yeah. So I need to use Postman agent for test the API locally. You need that one. So after getting the Postman agent, it will I will send the data and getting the response. So it's getting too much time. Localhost localhost 3000 slash test API, getting the response. Okay. So this is the simple and easily generated Node.js API using simple method. Okay. Thank you guys.